Cows are all female. Males are called too as bulls or steers. Elephants are the biggest terrestrial creatures on the planet. Chickens do not have total flight. Cow's milk is an excellent source of protein and calcium. A donkey is more powerful than a horse of comparable size. Cats can jump 6 times their own height. They have 18 toes in total. There are about 500 million pet cats in the world. Cats sleep for around 13 to 16 hours every day, 70% of their lives. Hello everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. I make videos on a number of beautiful and interesting animals that are found across the world. So, if that's something you're interested in, please click the red subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos. Before we go, make sure you've subscribed to the channel. It makes me feel happy so that I can continue to provide interesting content for you. Thank you for taking the time to view the entire video. One year in the life of a cat is equivalent to 15 years in the life of a person. Cows are female cattle, whereas bulls are male cattle. Dolphins mostly feed fish, squid, and crustaceans. They are a significant source of greenhouse gas emissions. Cows have a single stomach with 4 compartments. They are a sacred symbol in Hindu culture. Cows don't get much sleep. Please click the red subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel happy so that I can continue to provide interesting content for you. Thank you for taking the time to view the entire video.